Flourishing with Flourish From, understanding its usage in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, flourish from. This is a phrase that often puzzles learners, but understanding it can really enrich your English proficiency. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets of this interesting phrase. First, let's break down the word flourish. Flourish is a verb that means to grow or develop in a healthy or vigorous way. This growth can be physical, but it's often used to describe success, achievements, or development in abstract terms like careers, economies, or personal skills. Now, let's focus on the preposition from. From is used to indicate the starting point of something, be it a physical journey, a time period, or, in our case, the origin or cause of growth. Combining these two words, flourish from, implies a growth or positive development that originates from a specific source or situation. It's often used to describe a positive outcome arising from a particular condition, event, or set of circumstances. Let's see some examples. 1. After the new management took over, the company began to flourish from innovative strategies. 2. She flourished from the challenges she faced, becoming a stronger and more confident leader. These examples show how flourish from is used to link a positive growth or success back to its source. Be cautious not to confuse flourish from with phrases like flourish in or flourish with. Each of these has a slightly different meaning and usage in English. And that's a wrap on flourish from. Remember, understanding phrases like this can greatly enhance your English communication skills. I hope this video has been informative and engaging. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to flourish in your English language journey. See you next time.